Hello boys and girls, and welcome to your Friday maths lesson. Okay, let's get started with our do now. What are the whole numbers? Okay, what are the whole numbers? Right, let's have a look at these. So, I've got a 1 over here. I don't have a number over here, or I don't have a cube over here. So what could be my whole number? Yes, it is 1. So I fill that one in. We can just put a 0 in there. So we know that 0 and 1 makes 1. What about over here? Now I've got 2 in this part. 1, 2. I've got 1 cube over here. Okay, so what's my whole number going to be? 2, 3. 3 is my whole number. And over here I have got 3 in this part, and I've got 1 in this part. But what is my whole number? 3 and 1 more? 4. Well done. Thank you. Today we are learning to find number bonds to 5. You will be successful if you can count a whole number, you can split a number into 2 parts, and you can say what is the whole and what are the parts. Our star words this week are equal to, part, whole. Okay, my turn first. So, I know what my whole number is, but I need to fill in my parts. Okay, so I've got 5 here. Okay, so 5 is my whole number. How many parts? How many have I got in this part, and how many have I got in this part? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over here, and 1 over here. I can count on 4, 5. 4 and 1 makes 5. But I can split 5 up a different way. Let's have a go over here. All right, let's count. 1, 2. 2 in this part. 3 in this part. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3. 3 in this part. 2 and 3 makes 5. And let's check we've got 5. 1, oh no, don't count from 1, do we? We count from 2. We count on 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fantastic. One more time. 5 is my whole number. How many have I got over there in this part? I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in this part, and 0 over here. So I know that 5 and 0 makes 5. Okay, boys and girls, you can pause the video now. I want you to tell your adult how many cubes have we got in this part, and how many cubes have we got in this part, and what is the whole number? Off you go. Okay, you should have spoken with your adult about that. How many have we got in this part? 3, well done. What about in this part? 2. 3 and 2, what does that make? Let's count on. 3, 4, 5. 3 and 2 makes 5. Okay, what are the parts and what is the whole? Pause the video and have a go. Okay, boys and girls, let's work it out. So how many have I got in this part? 4, well done if you said 4. How many have I got in this part? 1. 4 and 1. Let's count on. 4, 5. 4 and 1 makes 5. Well done, boys and girls. On to the next one. Right. what are the parts and what is the whole? How many cubes have I got in this part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have I got any parts in this hole, in this bit? No. We haven't got any cubes in that part. Okay, so 5 and 0 makes 5. Well done, boys and girls. On to the next one. Pause the video, have a go with your adult. Okay, boys and girls, so we have got how many in this part? 2, very good. And how many in this part? 3, good. And what's our whole number? 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's move on. Okay, it says here, can you identify the missing number? We can add some cubes to help us. So, our whole number for all of these activities is 5. Fantastic. So we need to add cubes to the other parts to make 5. So we can start on 2 and we can count on 2, 3, 4, 5. How many have we got in this part? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, on to the next one. Right, our whole number is 5. In this part, we have 5. What are we going to have over here? That's right, we aren't going to add any over here because we already have our 5 cubes over here. And let's count them to make sure we've got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is correct. Okay, on to the next one. Our whole number is 5. We've got 0 in this part. So we've got no cubes over here. So how many cubes do we need here? Let's add some and work it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can write 5 here. So I know that 5 and 0 makes 5. All right, on to our last one now. We have got 5 as our whole number again, and we've got 1 in this part, 1 cube in this part here. How many cubes do we need in this part? Let's add them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count on. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our whole number. How many have we got over here? 4. Well done. So I know that 4 and 1 makes 5. Well done, boys and girls. Okay, on to our independent learning. So I'm going to show you what I can see with my visualizer now. Okay, it says here, use the adding machine to help you work out the answer to the number sentences. Now, you can use cubes to help you, or you can use the dots. That's up to you. But what I want to see is you counting on and using your number bond facts to answer the questions. I'm going to use cubes for this. So it says 4 plus 1. So I've got 4. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 1. I'm going to add one more. Okay, so let's count on. 4, 5. So now I'm going to put 5 in the answer bit. Okay, I'm going to move over to here now. So 2 plus 3. What's 2 plus 3? So 1, 2 over here. Then I need 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. Let's count on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Right, boys and girls. I'm going to let you finish these off on your own, but I'm going to show you what's on the other side. So on the other side, we've got some pneumicons showing on our number bonds 5. Okay, so what you're going to do is, instead of using cubes, you can do dots into your pneumicons. Okay, to count them. Right, so let's count this one first. 1, 2, 3. We've got 3 over there, and we've got here 1, 2. So let's count on from 3 to see what the answer is. 3, 4, 5. 3 and 2 makes 5. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to let you get on with that on your own now. Make sure you post it onto Seesaw and use your number bond boxes or your number bond machines to help you if you need to. All right, enjoy and bye.